Okay, so here we have a 46-inch Samsung TV, 2012. They're selling it for $75, and they say that it makes a noise and will restart itself sometimes when it gets turned on. Now, a 46-inch TV is a pretty big TV, but it does make a noise and restart itself when it turns on. Is that worth $75? It's not worth much to me. Okay, to get these TVs repaired, it costs money, and a lot of people are selling, you can find 50-inch TVs for anywhere from, $100 to $150 sometimes if you wait around. So, I don't get this. I mean, $75 for a TV that basically doesn't work, that's, makes no sense to me.